welcome in or welcome back. It is time for episode 8 of Sweetness and Lightning. Let's go ahead and hop on in. Isn't that the guy? Okay. Illness. Yeah, I was gonna say. Oh, is that what's gonna make you feel better? Ah, yay! Awesome monkey, so cute. Squid and taro stew. That's still yummy tomorrow. Kinder, like preschool teachers that are truly like happy to be around the babies no matter what. Ugh, they have a special talent. And they're able to be calm and everything. That's really cute. Oh, I'm not really singing. Oh, okay, it's coming along. It's coming along. Good job. I'm sorry, is that a giant Pocky box? Oh my god. And they call it picky. Pocky sticks are so good. There's so many different flavors, but I love chocolate. Strawberry is actually pretty good too. Hmm. If you haven't had Pocky, I think this is the perfect opportunity for you to go ahead and look it up and go out next time. And I think they're relatively cheap and pick some up. I'll let you know I am poor, but I am able to I am able to grab at least a small box. So for me, try some. Doesn't have to be chocolate. Grab one that suits your fancy. It's nice to get yourself a little treat every now and then. It's so, hey, let him in on this stuff. Oh, that outfit for this first lady is so cute. The one that's talking. He just wants to be, in the parents club. Obviously, his wife probably would have came instead of him, but he has to fill that role for both parents now. Now the moms are like, "Oh, did we make him feel better? Or did we make him feel bad?" His wife probably did all that stuff. I'm still thinking about that first lady, that first mom's outfit. Oh my gosh, that was so cute. I need that. 2026 is my year. I'm gonna get fit again after my babies, and I'm gonna start dressing cute, stomach out, the abs. It's about to be, it's about to be cute. It's gonna be the spring of my life again. Telephone game, like Whisper Challenge. Thank you, Samugi. Aw, Samugi is so. Aww. I thought she was just being funny, but aww. Samuki is so kind. Even though he bullied her in a previous episode. His mom was like, that does not mean you're about to take your time. Look at that. She stood up and just. She stood up for him. You didn't open your mouth. I think he secretly likes her. Uh, those two would be fine in the future. I guess I forgot that kids like to bully each other when they actually like that person. When they don't know how to express their feelings, they try to find a way. Just getting any attention from the person they like is enough for them. Even if it's negative. Aww. What was I saying? You guys are so cute. All right, I forgive him for being, you know, kids can still be pricks, okay? I don't care. I don't care. Hot take. It's okay. You got this. Is that one that you? Uh, I thought yeah, washing it would be fine, but is that what your mom made? It would be I think it would be. I think it would mean moving on. Yeah, from her mom. Oh, okay. Smoogie, you always got me crying. Golly. Oh, what was your favorite thing? Let's hear it. Alrighty. Oh, and yams. He had to think of all the things that his wife was able to cook. Oh, I think that's a cool thing to do. Mm. You thought he was still sick. Mm. I still feel like this is kind of awkward. Like, I'm sure, like, would it not be weirder to be seen like this than her just talking to you in the hallway? Because anybody could see him in this empty hallway just talking out the window and she's just right there. But he's talking to her like a daughter. It's nothing weird, so. Oh, you're not gonna say she stole it this time. Okay. You know what? That is way more squid-like. Huh. That was really good. Oh, a series you guys should watch if you're into like slice of life, super silly, goofy, no true plot. You should watch Squid Girl. That one, oh. Mm. Hi. I wonder. It needs color. It looks like a jalapeno. I mean, I think she knows this is super important. Oh my goodness. I'm glad you guys were just able to get that. I mean, Japan is completely surrounded by water, so getting seafood is not a problem. Oh, yeah. I'm not okay for you. Pull it out quickly. What are you pulling out? Oh, oh, no. Oh, you know what? She's brave. Oh, your tiny hand is getting sucked up in there. Oh, poor Samuki. Personally, I would have put a glove on, and I still wouldn't have been able to do it. So, is there an ink sac in this? Boy, right under the eyes. Oh, there's a beak. Oh, she is now one with the squid. Are you gonna sense this pain? Oh my gosh, that is huge. Okay, I hear you. she's she's so mature for her age. Ugh. The only thing I've heard, only thing I've heard of for people eating squid is squid ink soup. No, sorry. Squid ink spaghetti. There's actually a super funny Squid Girl episode about that. They started having her slime the spaghetti. Those acorns? Taro. Oh. Hmm. Peel the surface from top to bottom? Oh, I hate when people hold food while they're cutting it. Ooh, it's sticky. Slimy. If it's slimy and hard to hold, aren't you gonna cut yourself? Okay. She also felt that way. Oh, we finally get to know the backstory. You almost slice your finger off? You need some cut resistant gloves or something, though. What did Tara? That's the lid. That didn't what? The lid is just on top. Like not even covering. Oh. Okay. Salt is really gonna add some flavor, huh? But I thought you weren't adding it for flavor. You were adding it just for like color. Mm. Did you taste it? I'm glad. But shouldn't you say it tastes good as opposed to just fine? That actually looks pretty alright. It's a nice, warm, homey color. And you got the rice. Itadakimasu. Oh, you can just stab right into it. It seems like Samugi's into it. Yay! That pause she did, everybody got nervous. I wonder if she remembers if it tastes like what her mom would make her. Uh, yeah, the inside of them? Okay. Okay, what should be like the worst tasting thing? Yeah, it's just like dialects and stuff. It's a little change. It's, but it tastes like what your wife did. Oh, she's just happy to be a part of this. Sumugi, Sumugi is never gonna forget all the delicious things that she ate with Ida. Oh, sometimes I forget that she's in high school. She seems so mature. Like she has her own household to run. Well, she wants her own household to run, but she just doesn't have it yet. a little bit of daddy on it. Mmm. Oh. Oh. That is so cute. He did so good on it. All right, and that is the end of episode 8. First off, okay. Mikio has grown on me this episode quite a bit, and that is perhaps an understatement. I finally understood. I had to put myself back into those like younger years of how kids think and the logic behind it. And while his intentions were, just getting her attention and stuff, he made her cry. And in turn, he also cried. And it just did not end well in the other episode. But in this episode, you could tell that he was trying to make her laugh, and he was happy when she stood up and was like, "Hey, I'm gonna wait for you. I'm gonna wait for you to go potty." And then everybody else followed along with her. She is a leader. I love Sumugi so much. Ah, I love her. But Mikio, he was like, "Hey, I'm gonna marry you. You want me to marry you? Because that's what's gonna happen." You know, very smooth. I think I've written stories like this. Ah, so romantic. My stories I'm talking about, not this. I'm sorry. I got ahead of myself right there. I just love origin stories that start like when they were younger, and then you grow up together, and you're always together, and yeah, you just always know all these years that this is the person you want to be with, and then look at me, like just writing fiction in my head and stuff. Like maybe go to my main channel. I am going to be starting all of that good stuff though, so tune in for my past writings. Anyway, this was a really good episode. She got to taste the stuff that her mom had previously made. Oh, and then there was a collaborative effort on the bag. He was just trying to understand, and but the moms, they were like, "Oh man, maybe we've made him feel bad because obviously they know his wife is now deceased, and she wouldn't be able to make a bag for the daughter, and they're not trying to put it on him." But he's also like, "Hey, I would, you know, he wants to give some of the things that she should have been able to have with two parents. He doesn't want her to like get, I guess, jaded. Is that the right word? Like, hmm, like he doesn't want her to, I guess, get snubbed. What other synonyms could I be using right now? Because I feel like these are not the best. Anyway, he just wants to have the best and have everything that two parent households are having, or just even single parent households with a mom and a feminine presence. So, it was really good. I with my dislike for Mikio going way down, my like for him going quite up, and my respect for that little bitty kid, then this is going to be a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I'm thinking it should be apple patches, like the one on the bag that you got her, or it should be the squid rings. I'm going to say, because then it incorporates both parents, and how she thought a lot about her mom, but obviously her dad is still here. I'm going to say it's going to be a 10 out of 10 apple patchwork patches. Yeah. Let me know all of your thoughts and feelings in the comments below. Has Mikio grown on you? Did you feel like I was being wrongly, you know, tough on Mikio in past episodes? And just let me know it all. Let me know what you're thinking. I am free to listen. I love seeing everything. So please don't hold back. And please like, please share if you're feeling so inclined. But of course, I'd love if you subscribe because, hey, I want an anime buddy. You want an anime buddy deep down inside, even if you're not really feeling like you do. Hey, you're here for a reason, right? You wanna hang out and just watch anime together. And that's totally cool. I wanna do that too. So like don't hold back. Anyway, I'm going to be seeing you in whatever you choose to watch for me next. Love, Jasmines, and Bunnies.